Most investors see a headline loss of 838 crore and run away. But if you are watching this CMR Green IPO review, you are about to discover the secret that India's top car makers don't want you to know. In this CMR Green Technologies Limited IPO, a green gold mine or an accounting nightmare you should avoid. Let's get into the numbers. Here is the first mystery. The company just cut its IPO size by 23% from 823 crore down to 630.88 crore. Why did the selling shareholders suddenly decide to offload fewer shares? And why is the CMR Green IPO GMP today signaling a premium of nearly 17% despite that massive loss of financial year 24? This isn't just a scrap company. CMR Green Technologies is India's largest non-ferrous metal recycler with 4 times the capacity of its nearest rival. If you own a Maruti, a Honda or a Bajaj motorcycle, here's a very high chance the aluminum inside it was recycled by this one company. They have a molten metal moat that makes it almost impossible for their customers to leave them. Let's address the elephant in the room. In 2024, the company reported a loss of over 838 crore. Most surface level analysts will tell you to avoid it based on this. But according to the red herring prospectus, this was a non-cash goodwill impairment. Think of it like cleaning out an old dusty attic after a family merger. It's a one-time accounting cleanup, not a real business problem. In reality, their core operations are so strong that by December 2025, they were already back to profit after tax of 162 crore. But here is the catch. This is 100% offer for sale. Every single rupee you invest goes straight into the pocket of these selling shareholders. Like global scrape processors and zero capital enters the company's book. That means they are not using this money to pay off their 1300 crore debt. Management says debt is cheaper than equity. But as an investor, you have to ask, are you buying a growth story or just helping the founders cash out? If that makes you nervous, look at the green tailwind. Primary aluminum production is an environmental disaster, like burning coal to cook a meal. But CMR's recycling process uses 95% less energy. They are an ESG powerhouse, ranking 6th globally in sustainability for the aluminum sector. As India shifts towards EVs and China plus one sourcing, CMR Green is perfectly positioned to be the global supplier for the next decade. Is the price right? At the upper band of 192 per share, the company is asking for a forward PE of about 19.42x. Compare that to peers like Gravita India at 31.4x or Gen Resources at 76x. CMR Green actually looks reasonably priced for a market leader. Before we give the final verdict, save these dates. The IPO opens on June 3 and closes on June 5th. The CMR Green IPO GMP today is hovering around 26 to 34 rupees, suggesting a potential listing gain of about 14% to 17%. So, the final CMR Green IPO review verdict. Remember, this is not buy or sell recommendation from me. I am just providing this for educational and informational purposes. For listing gains, it can be a may apply if the QIB subscription on day 2 crosses 5x. For long-term investors, it's a subscribe. You are getting the dominant players in the sector with 11.2% annual growth, even if the OFS structure is a slightly drag. Are you willing to overlook the 100% OFS for the green mode? Let me know in the comments. Apply or avoid. And don't forget to hit subscribe for the live subscription updates on June 3rd. Thanks for watching and happy investing.